say goodbye to my 24-240 and 18-105. They are my longtime friends. This one being used, I used this for 2 years, and this one is about 10 months. Both did great job. Both are wonderful companion of my photography and videography trip, and I will forever remember you guys. But now it's time for us to part ways, and I will see you on the other side. And yeah, I sold them basically because I don't use them. First of all, I don't use APS-C as much, and 18-105 overlaps with a lot of other lenses. Overlaps with this lens, overlaps with my Tamron 28-75, and this one overlaps with Tamron 28-75, and I just prefer to use a faster lens right now, other than a longer telephoto super zoom. Though it is super fun to use this. If I don't have to, I would not sell this lens. This though, I don't really use it, even though it's a great lens. I used a lot in the first year. The second year I started just transition to a full frame. Anyway, so from now I'm gonna just use more my Tamron 28-75, and on top of that, I just ordered a Sony A7RII f4 to shoot sports, and yeah. So these two get a telephoto lens to be specialized in to shoot something at the long end, longer range. I'll get much better image quality, even at 200. It's at f4, so yeah. I'm very hyped about it, and I'm gonna shoot a lot at tennis court. So stay tuned. And yeah, it's a pity that I have to sell these two to fund my new lens. So basically, after selling these two, it would be like paying only €200 to get that new telephoto lens. It's pretty nice. Alright, that's it for this update, and I'll see you in the next one.